How to set up Amazon custom application in Social Login plugin. Please note, this feature is available in standard and premium version of plugins. Now we will continue with the setup. Go to your WordPress admin area and click on mini orange Social Login plugin. Go to Social Login tab. Select Amazon from given list of applications. Then click on Save to save your settings. Your settings are saved successfully. Go to Custom App tab. Then click on Add Application. Select Amazon from list of given applications. We will be going through these steps in this video. Click on link to go to Amazon Developer Console. Please click on Sign Up if you have not already signed up. We have already logged in using our Amazon account. Select App Console. Please fill the following details. Then click on Save to save your settings. Expand the Web Settings section. Click on Edit and enter allowed return URL. Copy URL from instruction number 4 and paste here. Then click on Save. Copy the client ID from the web settings. Paste client ID into the fields above. Click on Show Secret and copy the client secret and paste here. Using Scope Profile, you will be able to access a user's profile information. Click on Save Settings. Your settings are saved successfully. Please click on Test Configuration to check if your custom application is working fine. While login into your application via Amazon, you can access profile data stored on it. Click on Allow. You have successfully tested custom application. Thanks for watching.